Well, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but that is not my ride with GPS. That is the Komoot app. Let me tell you why I got it. Stick around. Well, hello again, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. Yep, we pulled the trigger and got the Komoot app. And this is our first real outing with it, that we don't know where we're at and using it for navigation. And so we're learning some stuff about it today. And but let me tell you why I ended up getting this app. Let's see, we want to kick out this way here so I don't ride through the chain. And then we're gonna go down the hill. Okay. The main reason that I ended up getting this app was actually because of what happened with another app, and that's going to be Strava. You know, they came out and doubled their price. They came out and actually doubled their price of their app, and worse yet, they did not tell anybody. Let's kind of go slow so Michelle can kind of catch up here a little bit. And so I thought, you know, ride with GPS went up $10. And I thought, you know, here's a $30 investment if I just go ahead and pull the trigger on it. And it's for lifetime. They're not going to put it up on me. Does that mean that they can't just cancel it anytime they want? No, it doesn't mean that. But maybe they won't. Maybe they won't. So I thought I'll go ahead and take a chance on it. So that's what we did, is we pulled the trigger and we went ahead and got it. So, how y'all doing today? And we're actually right outside of Raleigh, North Carolina right now, which is the capital of North Carolina. And look at this place. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So what did we find out with the Komoot on this first outing? Well, it actually navigates so well, it can be a little aggravating. I mean, you can't get 3 feet off the trail before it's telling you, look at the map, look at the map. So I've got to look into that, see if I can get it a little less sensitive maybe. I don't know if I can or I can't. And it will reroute. If you get far enough off a route, it'll reroute you. Now I'm going to take a look because I'd like to keep the original route. Sometimes I want to come off route and go right back to where I was. Examples of that is when we were up in Winston-Salem and we went through Old Salem. You know, that wasn't a part of the route because we wasn't sure where we was going to go there. Boy, this is really pretty. So I've got to look into that a little bit and see if we can lock that planned route in and just use the map to get back to it. What's some other points about it? Well, their database is not quite as good as the ride with GPS as far as the routes and rides that you've taken. It's not bad though. And this old cowboy has learned how to build some spreadsheets and databases on the computer. Got 2 of us on your left. And so I've got everything there that I can punch into any app that I see fit to punch into. That's kind of fun. I might even do a video on that. You know, if an old cowboy can learn the computer, who knows what's next? Who knows what's next? How y'all doing today?
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Now, what's some plus features? Well, points of interest. On the ride with GPS, you've got to have the premium, which is about, I think it's $80 a year. Maybe that went up too. I didn't check that. But here with the Komoot, for my $30 for lifetime, I can add points of interest when I'm building a route. And so that's an excellent feature right there. What are points of interest? Well, they're overlooks, highlights, Places to eat. You know, you can find places to eat along your route. Public restrooms. I'm trying to think of what some of the other ones are. You know, historic sites. All kinds of stuff like that. And then you get into some that, you know, here in the United States you're not going to have, but they have checkpoints are listed in there and things like that. So let's see, we're going to come up here and make a left. And so that's, you know, an excellent feature that I've been trying. How you doing today? I've been trying to work myself into with the Ride with GPS and have never been able to really get a good deal on that. Let's see, we're going to go across here and go up the trail here. Let's see, and we're going to continue up this way now. So that's all good. The street view, you know, I'd said, well, there's no street view on the Komoot, but we can tap into it. I'm gonna split right through you like bowling. Have a good day. Thank you. There actually is a street view on the Komoot, and so we've got that figured out. And overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. You know, like I said, what really convinced me to go ahead and pull the trigger on that was, I think we're coming into a bit of a recession, and tech companies are the first ones to get hit with that. And so I really thought there was a very good possibility that that deal was going to disappear and be placed to a subscription, or at the very minimum a higher one-time fee. And so we went ahead and got it now, and this gives me an opportunity to check it all out for several months, see how everything is going, and if I don't like it, I can still stick with my Ride with GPS. But I don't think that's going to be the case. I'm learning too much of how to get around on a computer. Old cowboy's doing all right with stuff. Let's see what this car is going to do here. Yeah, I kind of thought so. We'll hop onto the sidewalk here, seeing as nobody is here. So, but that's what we got. That's what we did. Other than that, that's going to about do it. This is, like I said, this is our first ride on it outside of where I know exactly where I'm at. And so we're taking a scouting trail. We need to go up to the next one. And so there's been a few little glitches on this ride. We're in a completely new area to me. Michelle has done some hiking at the one preserve that we were at back there, but I haven't never been there. But there we go, we're taking a right here. So there has been a few glitches on it. Are they glitches with the app, or are they glitches with me? You know, they're probably glitches with me. You know, misreading the legend, things like that. And those are things that, you know, I'll get worked out. But that's going to do it for this time around, Internet. So till the next time, stay safe, God bless, and keep the wheels turning. Once again, we're out.